Recode into same variable. To do this, first go to transform, recode into same variable. Now you will select the target variable. In target variable, marks obtained in final term exam with the help of arrow button. Go to the numeric expression and then click the button old and new values and click select range. Here you want to change the score from 43 to 60, 43 to 60 to 60. It means you want to decode all the score starting from 43 to 60 to 60. Then you will press the button add, and at the end you will press the button continue and click OK and get output. You will view your output. Your command has been executed. Recode. You have recoded the final term exams scores 43 to 60 to 60. So this is all about recode into the same variable.